All right, I have an LG front-loading wash machine, and I'm going to show you how I wash a white clothing. A white clothing, such as towels like this, are usually close to the skin and therefore pick up a lot of oil and debris and dirt, and quite frankly, they don't stay as white, like they should. So I'm going to show you how to wash the white clothes. Right here, I have some towels inside. I have some other white garments such as socks and t-shirts and whatnot. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the towels in here along with the other white clothes. Close the front door of the wash machine. And then I am going to go ahead and add my detergent inside of the main wash. Do you see that right down there? Add the detergent in there. All right, pretty nice. And then I am going to take baking soda. All right, this is what I do. I add baking soda. Baking soda actually helps it stay a little bit fresh, or actually freshens it up even more. I'm gonna put some of that both in the pre-wash section and the regular main wash section. Then I'm going to take some bleach. Okay, this is easy pour bleach. It's actually kind of thick in there. It's not like your normal liquid bleach. I'm just going to pour about a quarter cup in here. All right, see that? It's really weird looking. All right, so I have that in there. And then I am going to put my fabric softener inside of the fabric softener right here. Right there, in that compartment right there. So once I have all of my liquid and powders in there, I'm just going to go ahead and shut this drawer, turn on the wash machine, and I want to select this sanitary selection. All right, because I want this to actually get really clean. And I'm going to do something a little bit more. This is not exactly the most energy efficient or environmentally friendly wash, but it's going to actually get my clothes clean. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the left. I'm going to select the Water Plus that actually uses more water. All right, I'm going to select the soil level as heavy. And then as you can see in sanitary mode, it automatically goes to extra hot. I'd like that to get, some of the oils and dirt off of the white towels. And then the spin, it's on extra high. And then more for drying, I'm just going to choose more because I want to make sure they're dry completely. And then for the rinse, I'm going to use extra rinse because I want to get all the stuff rinsed out of that, very efficiently. And so once all of that is selected, all right, I am going to go over here. Actually, I'm going to do pre-wash too, all right? Actually pre-wash, okay? And then I am going to go and start. And this is going to clean my clothes pretty well. And as you can see, it's probably going to take longer than normal. It's going to give me a time right there of how long it's going to take in about a few seconds. Or maybe it's not. It's actually going to take a while, all right? And that's how I wash my white clothing. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.